Morning guys, and it is Vlogust day 2 and I'm going to try and fix the chicken run quick. The door, the wire is coming off a little bit. I did not walk into the raspberry bush. There's a gap. Hello Blossom. Let's fix it. Okay, hey Cookie. He's so sweet. And Blossom. To avoid chickens from being murdered by Dotty Dog, I have shut the stair gate. Hang on. Got it. I hope there's enough in here. Damn it. Oh, damn it, it's so difficult. It fell out. It's hang on. Let me try and push against that. There we go. Okay, that needs hammering in, but I'll try and put, is there mooring? Yeah. There we go. It didn't come out. What? Is there not any more in it? How do you do it like that? No, there's more. Hey Silky. Hang on, is that how it goes in? Yeah. Maybe it was jammed, I don't know. Okay, one more try. There. Oh. There we go. That looks better. I need to hang on. There you go. Fixed. Come on, Chicky Chews. Come on. They're not going to come back in. Freedom! But if I leave them out, they will be eaten, so by a fox or a certain Dotty Dog. I have Cocky. Hey, bro. You're so cute. He is the sweetest cockerel. We have had a few cockerels in the past that have attacked us, but he was hand raised from a chick, so he's the best cockerel ever. His spurs are massive. How long is that? I don't know, but yeah, they're spiky. There's one, but he's so sweet.
Hey, Cookie.
Hello guys, happy Vlogust day 2. I think I filmed already. Anyway, taking potato peelings and leftover onion stuff to the allotment for the compost bin. And then we're going to work on the allotment. I've decided that in the compost bin at the allotment, I'm only putting scraps from the food I grow from the allotment. So, yeah, let's go. So we came out the allotment because Alana wanted to pick some blackberries. So there should be some blackberries around here, and there are cows in the field.
I love cows. They're so cool.
I think I know whose cows these are as well.
Really?
Yeah. Look at them. And some, like, quite big babies now. And then there are sheep in that field over there as well. So the allotment's in there, and we just walk up this path. And then there's blackberries like so this is what we got. Some of them are still red, which means they're not ready, and they're not falling off easily as well.
Except for these ones were.
So we haven't really got that many. We're gonna go back now though. There's really not that many. Look how pretty
Seriously?
that is. I just made up this new recipe. I've done it something similar before, but it's the beans are from the allotment. They're delicious. But I'm so hungry. I was starting to shake. And so I needed food fast. So I boiled pasta with a vegetable stock cube in, and it gives it so much flavour. Oh, they're vegetable or they're chicken? I think they're vegetable. And then I put some of my special cheese on top. Lovely.